All right, so I was really excited to get to this part of CEP 813 because I have heard so much about using Minecraft in education, but I have not really had the opportunity to actually play around with it. Um, I remember years ago I was at a neighbor's house and their kids were actually playing Minecraft, and I just remember feeling so dizzy watching them play it on the TV. Um, I'm by no means a gamer, so initially I was really nervous to play, but it actually ended up being a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Um, when I first started, I learned really quick not to move my mouse too fast because that's like this, because that's what makes me really dizzy, especially if I'm walking and I'm moving my mouse quickly. Um, it makes me dizzy. Um, So one of the challenges that I faced right away with this was going through water, and there isn't any water in this area, but um, going through the obstacle course, I had a hard time getting through the water, and I found that I was just pushing a bunch of keys to try and get through it. Uh, I think it was a challenge just because it was a new experience for me, and I just needed more time to play around with it. Um, I also found that once I got into the brickyard, I had a really hard time finding the exit. And once I did find the exit, there was a sign that said that I needed to find 10 jack-o'-lanterns. And this was really frustrating for me because I was only able to find one of the jack-o'-lanterns. And that frustration instantly made me think about how a student were to feel if they were playing this, how frustrating things can get, and how I would probably just tell them that they needed to problem solve. Um, the thought of using Minecraft as an assessment tool is still intimidating for me. Even though I think it sounds really cool, I still don't really understand how the design process works for a teacher. Um, and I know it would be really engaging for my students, but I'm still thinking about things like setup time versus the actual value for students. Um, I'm a fourth grade teacher, so I know that my students would be really excited about this. Uh, I definitely think it could be adapted to work well with different content areas, so I'm looking forward to taking time to continue to explore with that.